Let's be honest, artificial intelligence has been the most overused phrase in project management over the past 2 years. Everyone claims it's revolutionizing delivery. But ask most teams what's actually changed, and you'll hear crickets. The truth is, AI isn't replacing project managers. It's revealing who can think critically, lead strategically, and translate chaos into clarity. So today, Signofied LLC cuts through the noise and talks about what's really working and what's not when it comes to using AI in project management. AI is not your replacement. It's your mirror. It reflects how organized, consistent, and thoughtful your approach to projects really is. If your requirements are vague, your communication scattered, or your data incomplete, AI will amplify that chaos. AI works when your processes are disciplined and your project data is clean. It helps you see dependencies faster, synthesize meeting notes into decisions, and spot risks before they escalate. One of the biggest mistakes we see leaders make is trying to automate everything too quickly. The smarter move? Use AI first to increase visibility. Let it surface patterns, summarize lessons learned, highlight where progress is slowing or where your resource mix doesn't align with your critical path. Think of AI as your high-speed analyst, not your autopilot. Automation without understanding just multiplies your blind spots. But visibility changes how you lead. We're entering the era of project intelligence, where data from all your tools finally talks to each other. AI can now correlate updates from Jira, Teams, and your PMIS to give you a 360-degree health check in seconds. This is where the magic happens, connecting execution data to strategic insight. Executives no longer want project reports. They want predictive foresight. AI enables that shift from describing what happened to anticipating what's next. That's where your leadership shines, interpreting the signal, challenging the bias, and acting before the risk becomes real. Every great tool comes with responsibility. AI makes it easy to move fast, but without governance, you can quickly find yourself in trouble. Your AI policy should answer 3 questions. What data can we safely use? Who reviews AI outputs before decisions are made? And how do we monitor for bias or privacy risk? Governance isn't about slowing down innovation. It's about making it sustainable. Because one headline about a data leak or biased model can undo months of progress and credibility. If your AI strategy begins with technology, you're already behind. Start with your people. Teach your teams to question the output, to interpret, to validate. The real skill isn't knowing which AI button to click. It's knowing what question to ask and how to use the answer responsibly. That's the future of project leadership. AI is the new assistant, but curiosity, empathy, and judgment remain the irreplaceable human advantage. Over the next few years, AI will become embedded in every phase of the project lifecycle: planning, estimation, stakeholder communications, and even benefits tracking. But the differentiator won't be access. It'll be adoption maturity. The best project managers won't just use AI, they'll design frameworks around it, measure impact, and align it with organizational strategy. We're moving from can we use AI to how responsibly and intelligently do we use it? That's the next competitive edge. AI is not the threat. Complacency is. It's time to evolve your role from project manager to project strategist, because when technology becomes smarter, leadership must become wiser. This is your roadmap to leading smarter in the age of AI. If this helped clarify your thinking, subscribe to the Signofied LLC YouTube channel to gain more insights into career development.